In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to edit sent WhatsApp messages. So sometimes what happens is that when you're trying to message somebody on WhatsApp, you may just send the wrong message to that person. It may be a typo error or anything on those lines. So if you want to edit the message, you can. WhatsApp gives you 15 minutes to do that. And in order for you to edit the message, this is exactly what you need to do. Get hold of your Android device, open WhatsApp, and say supposing this was the message that you sent earlier and you want to edit this message. So just long press the message, click on the menu icon, click on edit, and then you get an option to edit the message out here. And as you could see, I did a typo out here for and if I want to correct that, I just remove the n. If I want to add something, you could just add it out here and resend the message. As you could see, the message is completely edited and it's resent. And again, you could do this only within 15 minutes of sending the actual message. I hope this helps and you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.